Welcome back, guys. Today we got Klaus out. Actually just cleaned him up a little bit and we changed the oil, topped off the coolant, and we're probably gonna do a burnout. Maybe pop these tires. That'd be fun. I updated the tune so we can hopefully get two-step, build boost, fireballs, changed a few settings on it, see how it is. We also have a whole bunch of parts over here. We got Ethan.
Hi guys.
New power steering pump needed. Power steering pulley, which is much bigger. This part on the other one, I think, yeah, we showed it at the track.
We'll give them an update.
It got hot.
Did not change at all.
Oh my gosh.
It's missing some parts. Like,
oh, here,
all
hold
of
up.
it.
Put it down here. Yeah, because you got the black on your shirt. Yeah, so it got smaller.
And missing the spring and...
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Big old beefy power steering cooler. The one that's currently on Klaus is just like a 2-row, which is right here. So we got 2, 4, 6, we got 8-row. Much better. Much more betterer. What else we got?
Look at that!
Hey! You found it in there.
Part of it.
Yeah. That was supposed to be part of it. Is there more gunk in there?
Not really
Nope.
getting anything else. I don't know where that spring ended up though, but...
It's probably in the power steering rack. Oh. One thing we have now.
Yeah!
This all good Sam spray wax. We got a whole case of it.
We do. Guys, this is awesome stuff, really.
It is really good. We're actually going to be their northern supplier, so we're gonna have cases of this stuff in stock at all times, so you can stop over and grab it, or I guess I could ship it, same as Klaus's website, but we have it. It's the same exact price. It's $29, exact same that he charges for it. So yeah, get it. We just got it because I use it on everything. This bottle's already empty. We clean up everything. It works real nice. But hey, let's get Klaus started up and see how he's going.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, not bad for the first fire up since Indy. Fired right up. Yeah, we can see what's going on the dash here.
Oh yeah, everything looking real good. 54 on the oil. Yeah, we alright. What you doing over here?
I'll just trying to find the tune that I created a couple weeks ago. See if I can pull it up so we can do some two-step. Make some fireballs.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, Carl, so what temps did we hit in Indy?
250.
250?
Yeah.
Thing ain't missing a beat. Cycled through 180, back down to 160, back to 180, 2-3 times. Woo!
Now
She's a trooper.
we got the new tune, so let's see how two-step's gonna work now. I feel like it's...
I don't know what you did there, but that was no bueno.
Yeah, it's retarding the ignition.
Hot damn!
Will you let the dogs inside?
Less boost, but wow! Way more pop and bang. more damage than good.
It did third gear, no problem.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I did. Oh, look at that right there.
Yeah,
That's what. Yeah, that's not good. Update. Don't do burnouts on track.
That dug a hole.
It did. That's deep.
Oh, look at that tire. It's ballooned.
Yeah. Ow! Oh yeah! You wanna know how your seat got burnt? That's how. Woo! She gone. I feel sorry for whoever son of a bitch has to dismount that.
That's Brandon.
Oh look, it's against the bar. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's so ready to pop. That's scary. Well, they really held on, didn't they?
God damn. Those are like the strongest tires.
For real.
Well, that was lots of fun. But we popped both tires.
Yeah.
Success. Gosh, how are we gonna clean up? I'm just probably gonna spray paint over it.
Probably.
We'll do what we can. We got a nice little weave over here. It completely destroyed my backyard. There's fragments of tire everywhere. Dug holes in the concrete. This tire really got destroyed. It's a good one. But hey, finally popped tires.
You did. About time.
Yeah, only like 5 burnouts to do it. Well guys, hope you liked the short video. We're gonna end it off here, clean up this mess. We will see you on the next one.